$50 is usually the price of a decent dinner, not a medical-grade dental solution that replaces your entire smile. Yet, social media feeds are currently drowning in ads for these home moldable dentures that promise to fix every single frustration you have with traditional plates. No more thick, sticky glue that tastes like chemicals. No more sliding around while you are trying to enjoy a steak or laugh at a joke. They talk about this patented pressure adaptive gel that supposedly conforms perfectly to your gums. It sounds like high-tech wizardry designed to save you thousands in dentist bills. They even claim that over 80,000 people are already using them to live their best lives. But let's take a step back and look at the actual math here. When you see a price tag between 17 and 50 bucks for something as complex as a dental prosthetic, your gut should be screaming at you. The marketing for Yagoo says you can skip the professional visits entirely. They want you to believe that a DIY kit can replace the years of training a real dentist brings to the table. When you dig into the actual reputation of the site selling these, the polished facade starts to crumble fast. Independent security scanners give the website a trust score that is barely hovering around 40%. That is a massive red flag. Even more concerning is the complete silence on the major review platforms. You would think a company with nearly 100,000 customers would have a mountain of feedback. Instead, there is nothing. Not a single verified rating to be found. This suggests that those huge numbers might just be marketing fluff. It is a risky gamble to take with your health. Your jawbone structure is delicate. Using an unverified product that molds itself could lead to long-term issues that cost way more than $50 to fix. It is heartbreaking because people are desperate for affordable care. The idea of a comfortable, natural-feeling set of teeth is a powerful draw. You want to believe the hype. You want to believe that someone finally cracked the code on cheap dental tech. But the lack of third-party verification makes this look more like a standard internet gamble than a medical breakthrough. Always keep your guard up when a deal feels this lopsided. Your smile is worth more than a cheap kit from a website with a low trust score. Consult a professional before you put your bone health in the hands of a social media ad. It is better to be skeptical now than to deal with a damaged mouth later on. This whole situation serves as a stark reminder that if it feels too good to be true, it probably is. We all want the easy fix. We all want the shortcut to a perfect life. But your health is the one area where shortcuts can lead to dead ends. Be smart. Do the research. Don't let a slick video convince you to bypass a real doctor. Your mouth is too important to leave to chance. Take the time to find a solution that is safe and verified. It might take longer. It might cost more. But you only get one set of gums. Protect them at all costs. Don't fall for the flashy gel or the huge customer counts that don't actually exist on paper. Stay safe and stay informed. Don't let the shiny ads win over your common sense. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it with the same energy you use to find a great bargain.